what's changed in the portfolio and what I'm thinking about buying, and what are my thoughts on some of the stocks that I currently hold. So let's get started. BT, not much has changed with this. It's been dropping recently, especially with the Labour's political thing about they want to buy the phone lines for BT to provide everyone internet. So this one has dropped a little bit, but I think this should rise again. Well, if we look at it, it's still dropping. So so I think this should arise, but if it drops below the 184, maybe if it drops below 188, I might buy it on Trading 212. But if it drops anything below 184, I'll buy it on FreeTrade. Lloyd's, I'm keeping my eye out on this one because I do want to increase my position. I think for me, if it goes to around the 55p mark, I'll definitely increase my position on that. Aviva, not much has changed, pretty much stayed constant. Same thing with Barclays and Legal & General. RBS is another one that I'm potentially want to increase my position on, but I'm just waiting for the right price. S&P 500, I might be increasing my position on that. Again, I'm hoping for it to get down to £23.38. I'll buy another share in that. So I think for me, on my FreeTrade portfolio, I kind of want to increase my overall diversification and increase my ETFs on FreeTrade, because I think that for FreeTrade, I think the overall experience of buying and looking at ETFs is much better than the other platforms. So I do want to start building my ETF part of my portfolio. Commercial property, again, not much has changed. It has been dropping recently, so but I won't be increasing my position on this. Taylor Wimpey's doing all right. It's up 16%. Barrett's is one that I definitely want to increase my position. I just got to find the right time to buy. As you can see, I'm up 9%, and that's £4.35, and that's only on 8 shares. I've got an average price of £6.03. Nokia is the newest addition to my portfolio. It is a telecoms company. They basically make networking equipment now, and I paid a little bit higher than current price, which is alright. So I'm down 2.53%. That's £1.25. I have 18 shares with an average price of £2.73. So I do expect this to go up, mainly because the Trump and China trade war with Huawei. So I do expect that to go up. I know they've slashed their dividends, cancelled their dividends or postponed them until further notice. So this isn't a dividend stock at the moment. Vodafone is pretty much seen a massive drop recently from 160 to 156. I'm still up 20.37%. That's about £7. I think for me, Vodafone will be like one of the long-term stocks. I'll increase the position when I see an opportunity, but at the moment it's I think is at a quite high price. Centrica is doing pretty well, to be honest. I wasn't expecting it to go this high. So I'm pretty much keeping this one because it's only quite a small amount. It's only £31, and it'll be there for the long haul. Direct Line, this is one that I've sold a position in. So I've sold 6 shares, and I've got £17.49 back from that. I'm thinking about selling the remaining 10 shares because it is quite a good price at £2.95. I think for me, I will probably sell it when it gets above the £3, the remaining 10, because I do have 100 shares on Trading 212 at the moment, and that will be there for the long haul. GVC is doing pretty well at up 47%. Again, I do want to increase my position in this, but at the moment it's way too high to be buying, considering I only paid £5.84 for them. British Land is one that I'm considering to be moving to my Trading 212 ISA, just so I can avoid the 20% withholding tax. So this will be sold at some point, and I'll buy it on Trading 212, but the money, I won't be withdrawing the money from this account. It will just go into something else. BP is down, HSBC is down. These are quite small positions, and it's not really worth talking about them. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this week. Let me know what you think. Actually, did I get any dividends? Oh yeah, so I also got some dividends paid. So looking at this from the last one, I'd probably say since Nokia, I've had a dividend from HSBC for 23p, Centrica paid me 57p, and Greencoat paid me 8p. So that's it for this week. Let me know what you think on my portfolio. Yeah, if you like this video, like it. Thanks for watching.